5 things you're buying right now that are keeping you broke in 2026. You work hard every month, but your wallet is always empty, and these 5 things are why. And the worst part is, you don't even realize these purchases are draining you. By the end of this video, I'll show you exactly how much these 5 things cost you over 10 years. And number 5 is the one nobody ever talks about, so stick around for that. Let's start with purchase number 1. Almost everyone is guilty of this. Purchase number 1, buying a brand new car. This is the biggest wealth killer. The average new car costs $42,000 in 2026 and loses 50% of its value in just 5 years. Car payment, insurance, gas, maintenance. Your new car actually costs you $1,100 every month. That's $13,300 per year, over $133,000 in 10 years. If you invested that $1,100 a month instead, you'd have over $230,000 in 10 years. I'm not saying don't drive. Buy a reliable used car for $15,000 and invest the $700 difference. Person A buys new and loses $21,000. Person B buys used and gains $145,000. Same income. Running total, $133,200 destroyed. 4 more to go. Purchase number 2, and I guarantee you're guilty of this one. Purchase 2, subscriptions you're even paying for. The average American pays $240 a month on subscriptions. Most don't even know half of them. That's $2,800 per year, almost $29,000 over 10 years on stuff you barely use. That $240 invested monthly at 10% returns becomes $49,000 in 10 years. Go check your bank statement right now. Count every subscription. The number will surprise you. Cancel everything you haven't used in 30 days. Keep only 2 or 3 max. Invest the rest. Running total, $162,000 gone, and we're only on number 2. Purchase number 3. This one hits different because you do it every single day. Purchase 3. Eating out and buying coffee every day. This adds up way faster than you think. $6 coffee, $15 lunch, dinner out twice a week, it averages $18 a day. $18 a day is $6,500 per year. Over 10 years, that's $65,700. That $65,000 invested over 10 years at 10% returns becomes $112,000. Cook at home 5 days a week. A homemade lunch costs $3, not $15. That saves you over $4,000 a year. Make coffee at home, 50 cents versus $6. That's $2,000 saved every year. Running total, $227,700 destroyed. 2 more left. Purchase number 4. This one is sneaky because it happens at midnight. Purchase 4. Impulse online shopping. Late night scrolling that drains your bank account. Flash sales, one-click buying, 70% off something you never needed in the first place. The average American spends $5,400 per year on impulse purchases. That's $450 a month. 80% of impulse purchases end up unused in a closet. You're paying for clutter. $54,000 over 10 years. Invested instead, that becomes $93,000. Use the 48-hour rule. Wait 2 days before any purchase over $50. 70% of the time, you won't buy it. Running total, $281,700. 1 more purchase left. And finally, purchase number 5. This is the one nobody ever talks about. Purchase 5. Upgrading your phone every single year, and it's worse than you think. New phone is 3% better camera, 5% faster. You paid $1,200 for that. New phone, $1,200, case and accessories another $100, higher insurance, total cost almost $1,500 every year. Upgrade every year costs $15,000 over 10 years. Every 3 years costs only $3,600. You save over $11,000. That $11,000 saved and invested becomes over $19,000. Your phone habit costs you $20,000. Keep your phone for 3 years minimum. Your 2-year-old phone still does everything you need. Apple and Samsung want you to upgrade every year. That's their business model. Don't make it your financial plan. Now let's see the total damage of all 5 purchases combined. New car, subscriptions, eating out, impulse shopping, phone upgrades. Let's see what they cost you. Total cost over 10 years, $296,500, almost $300,000 gone. If you invested that money instead, you'd have over $500,000, half a million, gone on stuff you don't need. 5 everyday purchases, 10 years, $500,000 in lost wealth, and most people never even realize it. The question is, what are you going to do about it starting today? Buy used, cancel subscriptions, cook at home, wait before buying, keep your phone, and invest everything you save. Small changes today, $500,000 in 10 years. The math doesn't lie. Watch my video on why your salary is keeping you broke next. Link is right here. If this video saved you money, smash that like button and subscribe right now. Stop buying broke, start building wealth. I'll see you in the next one.